Hola amigos! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of food. Today, we have a special treat for you as we delve into the unknown facts about one of Mexico's most beloved dishes, pozole. Let's get started. Did you know that pozole dates back thousands of years to the time of the Aztecs? It was considered a sacred dish and often reserved for special occasions, ceremonies, and celebrations. One of the essential ingredients in pozole is hominy. Hominy is corn that has undergone a special process called nixtamalization, where the corn is soaked in an alkaline solution like lime water. This process not only enhances the flavor but also makes the corn more nutritious and easier to digest. Pozole comes in three main variations: blanco, verde, and rojo. The difference lies in the type of meat and the sauce used. Blanco pozole is made with pork, verde pozole with chicken, and rojo pozole with beef or pork seasoned with red chili sauce. Pozole is a labor of love. It starts with simmering meat, such as pork or chicken, with aromatic spices like garlic, onion, and bay leaves. This slow cooking process infuses the broth with incredible depth and richness. Once the meat is tender and the flavors have melded, it's time to add the secret ingredient that gives pozole its vibrant color. We have three classic variations: the blanco, the verde, and the rojo. Each one has its own distinctive character and flavor profile. Another interesting fact is that pozole is often prepared with a generous amount of love and time. It's not uncommon for families to spend hours, even days, making this flavorful dish. The longer it cooks, the more the flavors meld together, creating a rich and hearty broth. Pozole has an interesting tradition associated with it. In Mexico, it's often served on Thursdays and during celebrations, such as Mexican Independence Day or Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. It's a dish that brings people together, fostering a sense of community and celebration. Now, here's an intriguing fact: pozole is believed to have been inspired by a mythical story. Legend has it that the gods mixed their own blood with ground corn to create the first pozole. This is why it's often referred to as food for the gods. From street stalls to cozy family-owned restaurants, you can find pozole all across Mexico. Each place adds its own unique twist to the dish, making it a truly delightful experience for your taste buds. As we wrap up our exploration of unknown facts about pozole, it's important to remember that this dish not only represents the rich culinary heritage of Mexico but also symbolizes unity, love, and celebration. That's it for today's video, amigos. We hope you enjoyed uncovering the hidden stories behind pozole. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe,